if you want to set up payments on a Redmi Watch 6, what you need to do is you need to go to the Mi Fitness app on your phone or Mi Fitness app. And once you open it, make sure that the device option is selected and just make sure that Redmi Watch 6 is chosen here as well. Now, after that, we should be able to find the apps option. And then here at the top, we have Xiaomi Pay. So we can select this option. Then we can go next. We can also see the list of supported banks. So if you are not sure if your bank is supported, then of course you can check the list. Now here we should be able to set a PIN for our device. So let's tap on the set. Let's set up the PIN. So if you don't have PIN on your watch, you will have to set it up, which you can do with your phone. You don't have to do this on your watch, although you can, of course. Let's go next. After setting up the PIN, we should be able to proceed. And then we're going to use the add button here. Now we need to fill everything in, so we need to provide the card number, the name, expiration date, and the security code. Then also select that you have read and agreed to Xiaomi Pay privacy policy and terms of use over here, and then go next. And there we go. Once the card is added, then you should be able to simply unlock your watch, go to the apps list by pressing the crown, then we can scroll down and go to cards over here. And there we go, here we have our card. We can also use the pay button here, and you should be able to pay with your watch. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.